supposedly from Tepa Senior High School, and we've confirmed that. Now, and we are very sensitive to issues,
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
But on Facebook page, therefore, you'll be shocked. Bra, just 1 minute, Beshadie. Mokaya, school be war, Jache. I didn't last year. And that story is ya teacher ni share kwala or kojia mine. Young freo na udimirika. Na abusanfo me who that story and I'm say we are not learning. Me, I am against we need to punish our students. Akoma
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Having been a teacher, me je punishment di, but not to a level of this type of punishment. So now Okujama can get me the pictures. Say a student from Tepa Senior High School. Oh my God, this is one of the students. Other ones just a woman cheaper. Yes, and then kwala buy and kwala bonnet. Ye punish you more, ye mubi ye pay. But I kwala in some war. I buy you school. A 12 pass who trying to told there. Not to the extent send the cheap. Then the channel kwala said, Omu you super clear near the identity. Would it be a kind of channel? But this is dangerous. Therefore, on Facebook, Okujama can roll the videos and the pictures. Young court na eyewitness and Kasa. Bema, good morning.
Good morning, Jonathan.
What is the issue, Ankasa? DNC.
Well, as someone who come by and say, now to school near celebration, be now. The Muna Colano, that yawadan fear dano. The Mubakona Colani Pia 1 year. I just want to keep permission and the head mistress or the house mistress. Now it's a colana or from school. To call, I want to know by and Madame so had him rush in summer when you have or Yakulana. But you know, I heard you say now say a Nipabako, right?
Okay.
Or a Nipabako now. That's me at home. Na try saying Kaminya Abishiano Mubino Makata so Mapim Swine and Co. And I think that school makers say Omoye Samano Katasumo so when you call anybody in the school, you see that they don't want to talk. So I think that there is a time a headmaster and Onomu Penia Oma Asam Omna Bontino Macasam and we who frasing because a better say obey pano about one thing and say, though I saw the Nipanisi, because I didn't Nipana and Sama, Yadisi, Rina Sama Katakataso. So,
the senior house master na a boa coleyana.
Ye only senior house master, only house mistress, or Yoba.
A house mistress,
okay. I can name Yoba. Hello?
Yeah, this student, or that's why we school her?
Yeah, she's in the school. But this morning, I cannot confirm that she is still in the school this morning. But she was there from the day of the incident. She was there, and school in a school in a call Tepa Government Hospital.
Okay.
Teacher or this school or their clan of Koyan, your friend teacher Kofi, or no school in house senior house master.
Okay.
Or any other Nico teacher and a day school in a call government hospital whatever.
And teachers are Mubu Akwalani we and son and our one man so then a call hospital.
Taba penalty. Or more who said Madame Nayano Tiamrana. Afraid they start to, find ways and means to calm the thing down. But this is not the first time a thing like this happened in that school. You see, that is my big problem that I'm concerned about. This is not the first time. At least, I send the Baba Akwa. I was saying we should be free and teacher need society no your value say we nyankopon. So we think say teacher ni you are all knowing. So teacher ni we are there back at least I was say with me Kenya ukwa na we ya na we other teacher na school na we na bless you I was all doing answer akola na dey all do wa form o say akola na mo nko wa ko aboaka na na nkyere say na so ay di tu we da ba menewu so ba so eja na gu na so no nkyere so bitwa na so atwen ita akola na fuma ni tiri say yo kwan foforo ni punishment foforo ka wetin dia ma akola no dan say at the same time the government has seen not to beat any or not to cane any student aside that memen for so say akola ya boni ayentia no ya akola ya boni ayentia no enyina abale ko school ya boni ayentia ye dey pen so na abale twentwem ntini egbomi but and yet to the extent say ultimate bu obi bad say it say there so after the school minimum school no mo nsem kakra so ensem bi say ba kata so mu aso saa ye foni esane na ogbon nsem aye
ya dig it deep ya ko school ho ya pie ya wura ho ya ba ya ne community authorities the leaders therefore on Facebook page this video and ebe shocking because you be say a lot of questions and for now the school any prepared class they will even talk and Bema ma ya now I see on this why now we'll get further update. Therefore, reporting in you. Yane asa headmaster Akasa. And none of pay. Na me producer Benjamin. Na Ankasa the Frey assistant headmaster. Send yatini and we want to find out as assistant headmaster. If we are, we will go to the police. In fact, all the stakeholders.